Hi, this is Brett Haggard from htxt Africa. I'm here with another finalist from South Africa for Intel ISF, Sophia Demetriou from Selly Park Secondary School in Rustenburg, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, cool. And Sophia has designed a novel approach to biometric identification using an iris scanner. Wow. Okay, cool. So let's start with what your inspiration for the project was. What was the reason for you coming up with this out of everything you could have possibly chosen inside the computer science field?
Well, actually, there's two main reasons. Firstly, I've done a lot of research on biometric identification and fraud, and there's a huge problem with identity theft. So I chose the iris to use as a biometric identification method because basically it's one of the hardest parts of your body to forge because it's actually in your body. And what's also different about it is it has a very low rate of false detection because it has such a high value of bit codes that can be identified in your eye to identify people. Secondly, inspiration was that I love computer programming, and I thought that by choosing this project as a goal, I could be exposed to so many other things and I can learn a lot from it.
Okay, cool. So this isn't the first time somebody's looked at using an iris as a biometric mechanism, right, or as a form of authentication. What does your project do that's a little bit different from the conventional methods that are out there at the moment?
Well, commercial iris scanners generally use lasers or light emission such as flashes or lasers that can reflect the deepness of the iris. What mine does differently, it doesn't use anything that affects your eye such as lasers or light. All you have to do is take a picture of your eye, and then I apply several filters and edge detection methods that extract that information from the iris so it doesn't cause any damage.
Oh, wow. That's really, really interesting. And I take it that would be obviously a lot less expensive than using like sophisticated like light mechanisms and flashes and lasers?
Yes, it's so much cheaper because this can actually be done straight from your computer. So all it needs is the application itself, and you don't need any special machines. You could connect it to your phone, you could connect it to your laptop, and all you need to do is take a picture of your eye. And this will be a lot cheaper because if we want to implement it into government environments, you would need it at a large scale. So cost would be a great thing to look out for.
So you could use a conventional webcam, is what you're telling me. You could use a webcam that every single laptop's equipped with today?
As long as the lighting is correct, you can use a photo from anything.
Wow. And then in terms of speed, does it take a fair amount of time to get it right, or is it very, very quick?
It takes less than a second to identify.
Wow. Very good.
The only thing that might take time is to verify yourself because you have to scan your eye once, store yourself in the database, obviously, so they know who you are. And then from there onwards, all you need to do is select the picture and press process.
Right, okay, very, very cool. So, ISF, it's your first time at ISF, right?
First time here, yes.
And are you enjoying it? Meeting a lot of interesting people, seeing a lot of cool stuff?
I'm loving it. It's by far the best experience of my life so far, and we're only halfway through. I've met people from all over the world, every single continent, I'm sure, and it's actually amazing.
Okay.
Better than I expected it.
Awesome, awesome. Well, Sophia, thanks very much. Good luck. There you have it. A very impressive, very cheap and quick.
Simple, fast, and cheap.
Exactly what we need for South Africa. Well done. Best of luck. I hope you do well in the competition. Take care. Hey, cheers.